Welcome to Stratton Car Company near Uckfield, East Sussex. Here we have another vehicle handpicked direct from one of our local main dealers where 90% of our vehicles are sourced. All vehicles we source follow a meticulous process, paint correction if required, mechanically inspected and finally fully validated, all carried out in-house at our workshops here at Nutley. We are a family-run business striving to supply quality previously owned vehicles that have been prepared to the very highest of standards. Our aim is to provide a level of customer satisfaction that compares to no other. You can be sure of a warm welcome accompanied by a friendly professional team with no hard sell, ultimately delivering a smooth and pleasant buying experience. Don't take our word for it. Take some time to check out our Google reviews. They speak for themselves. Thanks for watching.